Nong Nong bad at the rain.
Nong Nong
Yes.
is bad?
No. He
What?
spunk at the rain.
Ah, Nong Nong spanked Ate Wayne?
Yes.
Where? Toyang,
Daddy.
what's your favorite? Cake or ice cream?
Ice cream.
French fries or spaghetti?
French fries.
French fries?
Yes.
Jollibee or McDonald's?
I don't know.
McDonald's?
Yes.
You like Jollibee kaya? Okay. O sige na, McDonald's na. Who's your favorite? Tita Pat o Mongmong Aaron?
Nong Nong bad at the rain.
Nong Nong?
Pareho kayo lahat. Puro kayo baliw!
Yes.
Is bad?
No. He
What?
spunk at the rain.
Ah, Nong Nong spanked Ate Wayne?
Yes.
Where?
There.
Where?
There.
Okay, so who's your favorite? Tita Pat o Mongmong Aaron?
He spunk in Nong Nong area.
Atu? Okay. What's your favorite? Oh, because Tita Pat buy Wednesday toys?
Yes.
And give it to Tony?
Hmm.
Okay. What's your favorite? Marshmallows or Hello Panda?
Hello Panda.
Hello Panda?
Yes.
Oh. Because what?
I don't like flowers, marshmallows.
You don't like flower marshmallows? You only like white marshmallows?
Yes.
Okay. Who's your favorite? Peppa Pig or Cocomelon?
Peppa Pig.
Who's your favorite? Mickey Mouse or Donald Duck?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey
I
Mouse.
think Mickey Mouse.
Ah, who's your favorite? Mommy or Tatay?
Mommy.
Yeah. Who's your best friend?
Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy.
Tatay. Mommy.
One only.
I said Tatay Mommy.
Yes, I said one only. Who's your best
No,
friend?
I said Mommy Tatay.
Two?
No,
Anong no?
not
Two.
Tatay.
Not Tatay?
Yes.
Only Mommy?
Mommy Tatay.
Both.
No,
Anong gulo mo?
not both.
Not both.
Mommy Tatay only.
Mommy, Tatay. Eh, that's both nga. Mommy and Tatay.
My sis Aya.
Ay, yung bagulo.